In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the default download location inside of Google Chrome. Now, by default, if I was to download something, it would just go to the downloads folder. I'm going to show you how you can turn on Google Chrome so it asks where to download the file, or I'll show you how you can just change the downloads location completely. So what you need to do is go to the three dots in the top right hand corner, then go ahead and click settings. Now, once you're here, go ahead and find downloads on the left. And then here you'll see the location of your downloads. Right now, it's obviously the standard downloads folder. Now, you also got this setting here. If this is enabled, each file that you download, it will give you the option to choose where you want to download it to before downloading. So go ahead and turn that on if you want. If you want to just change the location though, click on change. Then you can obviously find a location. Let's just say desktop. And then there you go. All the future downloads will go to the desktop. If this is enabled though, it will ask you first where you want to send them. So that's how to do it. I hope that helped you out.